How to become a guest favorite on Airbnb. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Achieving the guest favorite badge on Airbnb signifies that your property is among the most loved homes based on guest feedback and reliability metrics. To earn this distinction, focus on the following area. First, maintain high ratings and positive reviews. Aim for an average rating above 4.9 stars. Also, ensure excellence in areas such as cleanliness, accuracy, check-in experience, communication, location, and value. Next, accumulate sufficient reviews. Secure at least 5 reviews from guests to be considered for the guest favorite badge. Next, demonstrate reliability. Maintain a superb record of reliability with host cancellations and quality-related customer service issues at 1% on average. Next, provide outstanding hospitality. Deliver a memorable and comfortable experience to encourage positive feedback and repeat bookings. Next, regularly update your listing. Keep your listing details current and reflective of the actual experience to meet guest expectations. By focusing on these key areas, you can enhance your chances of earning the guest favorite badge, thereby increasing your property's visibility and appeal to potential guests. So, this is how you can become a guest favorite on Airbnb. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.